So, so in the third unit, we have started these topics. So before seeing that today's topic, just lightly I will tell about what we have learned yesterday. So first we have seen the Reynolds experiment. How the Reynolds experiment will show which type of flow is flowing in the tubes, that is laminar flow, turbulent flow, and in between laminar and turbulent transition flows. We have seen how they are in this way by using the dye element. We have seen. So laminar flow. So Reynolds number is the ratio of inertia force to the viscous force, and we have seen the formula for Reynolds number, that is rho Vd by mu or Vd by nu, kinematic viscosity. So Reynolds number, by knowing the Reynolds number, we can tell that which type of flow is there. So if the Reynolds number is less than 2000, the flow is laminar flow, and if the Reynolds number is greater than 4000, the flow is said to be your turbulent flow. If it is in between 2000 to 4000, it is called as transition flow. Okay. So this is thing we have seen yesterday, and next we have seen the loss of energy, nothing but loss of head in the pipes because of the friction we have started yesterday, nothing but major losses. The loss of energies in the pipes is mainly two types, that is major energy losses and minor energy losses. This major energy losses is only because of your frictional losses. So to find the frictional loss of head, nothing but loss of head due to friction, we are using two equations, that is called as Darcy equation and Chazy equation. Darcy formula and Chazy formula we are using. Yes, if you're getting any disturbance, you can inform me. Shashi, is it okay now?
Voice is breaking.
There is a disturbance, sir.
Voice disturbance you're getting. Okay. Now you can check.
No, sir.
Is it okay now? Yes, can you hear me? Is it okay now? Voice?
No, sir.
There is a disturbance in audio,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Now it is okay, sir.
Now it is okay. Okay. Right. So in this, we have seen the equation for Darcy equation, that is HF equal to 4FL V square by 2GD. And we are calculating HF nothing but loss of head due to friction, HF value. Right. So this is the terms which are there in the equation. Already we have seen yesterday. So F is the function of Reynolds number. So first we are going to see what is the Reynolds number. If it is viscous flow, nothing but if it is less than 2000, we are taking the formula for F is 16 by RE. And if it is greater than 4000, we are taking RE F value as 0.079 divided by RE power 1 by 4. Right. So similarly, we have seen Chazy formula also, that is V equal to C root Mi, where M is D by 4, I equal to HF by 4. So from this I value, we are going to calculate the HF value again. Right. So already the HF is always in meters because it is the loss of head. Head is nothing but height. We are going to calculate height, H, how much water value, which is reduced because of the frictional force. And we have solved two problems already. So today we'll take the two more problems if time permits. And after completing these two problems, we'll go for the quiz session, that is at 2:30, right? 2:30 to 3. I'll share you the link for the quiz in the WhatsApp group. You can go through that, right? So today's third problem, we are starting with this problem. So please write down the question. Find the diameter of a pipe of length 2000 meter when the rate of flow of water through the pipe is 200 liters per second and head lost due to friction is 4 meters. So here what he gave, head loss due to friction. So HF value he has given directly here, see here. And head lost due to friction is 4 meters. So HF value he has given in the question. Take the value of C equal to 50 in Chazy formula. So here he directly gave the C, that is Chazy constant, is given to us. So we need to use Chazy formula for calculating the unknown term. But what is that? That is the diameter of the pipe. So we need to use the Chazy formula for finding the diameter of the pipe, where already head loss due to friction is given to us. So head loss due to friction is 4 meters. So write down the question and then we'll write the given data first. Yes, if you copied the question, please inform me. I'll go for the next slide.
Completed, sir.
Okay. So first we will write down the given data. So these are the given data to us. So the length of the pipe is given as 2000 meter. So write down the length of the pipe is 2000 meter. Discharge is given Q equal to here 2000 liters per second. So discharge Q equal to
voice break, I think, sir.
voice is getting big. 1 second. Okay, so discharge Q is given 200 liters per second. So convert that liters per second into meter cube per second. So which is 0.2, nothing but 1 liter should be converted into meter cube. So 1 liter equal to 1/1000 meter cube. So Q equal to 0.2 meter cube per second. Next, head loss is given to us. So head loss due to friction, HF equal to 4 meter. Next, value of Chazy constant is given. So C is 50. Sorry, because of some network issue, I lost this signal. Can you hear me now? Yes, sir. Are you able to hear my voice, friends?
Still it is breaking, sir.
Some network issue is there today. Okay. Okay, I think you can see the screen. So right, so next here he is asking to find the diameter of the pipe. So let the diameter, we will take it as D. We don't know the diameter, so we cannot find area also. Okay, so let's just write on them. Then we can find, because since we are using here Chazy constant is given to us, we need to use the only Chazy formula. Okay, so from Chazy formula we know V equal to C root mi. So first we can find m by using m equal to d by 4. Since we don't have d, again we cannot find m also here. So just the terms which you don't know, we can write like this only. So we'll substitute in terms of d only. All these things we'll substitute in the d value in the form of d, because we need to find the d only, right? So since discharge is given, we can find velocity by using the formula, right? So discharge is given to us, Q equal to 0.2 meter cube per second. So we can find velocity from discharge by using the continuity equation. So Q equal to AV. So from that V equal to Q by A. Okay, so here we can write V equal to Q by A. So that term will become 0.2 divided by pi by 4 d square. So I have taken this 4 to the top side. Okay, 0.2 divided by pi by 4 d square. So just I have taken the 4, which will be the denominator, to be I have taken to the numerator place, right? So all the terms I have kept in terms of d only, because we don't know d. Okay, so next, now we can find, since HF is given to us, we can find I value. So HF value, what is given in the question? HF is 4 meters and total length of the pipe is given. So total length of the pipe is 2000 meter. So 4 by 2000. Yes, so 4 by 2000. Please tell me the value.
Two into 10 power minus 3.
2 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, so 2 into 10 power minus 3 is the I value. Right, so after getting I value, now see, by using the Chazy formula, we know V equal to C root mi. So now substitute the value of V. What is V? V is this one. Oh, sorry, once again. So V is 0.2 into 4 divided by pi d square. So that I have written here. See, 0.2 into 4 divided by pi d square. C value is given, so that is 50, and m is d by 4, And I value now we got those that you can substitute here. I value also 2 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, this is complete root. C root mi complete root. Okay, so now from this you need to find d value. Okay, so what you can do, since there is one root here, you can do the square root of this term. Squaring on both sides you can do. Then you'll get d term. So please calculate that value and tell me the d by taking the square root on both sides. So what happens? This becomes 0.2 into 4 divided by pi d square whole square is equals to 50 square. This root gets cancelled into d by 4 into 2 into 10 power minus 3 whole square. Then find d value by calculating it. Okay. Calculate the value of d and tell me the value. Yes, who is this CH Karthik? Karthik.
Zero 0.5.
D value is 0. Only one digit. Please tell me either 1, 2, 3 digits. Point after point, 2 or 3 digits.
0.553.
0.553. Okay. So 0.553 meters is the D value. So this is little bit complicated calculation because we need to do the square root. So you'll get D power 5. You'll get total D power 5 and you'll get some term. D power 5 equal to, you'll get something. After that, you need to calculate D value by taking T equal. Okay. So if you have completed this, we'll go for the next problem. Okay. Okay. So question number 4, please copy the question. An oil of specific gravity 0.7 is flowing through a pipe of diameter 300 mm at a rate of 500 liters per second. Find the head loss due to friction and power required to maintain the flow for a length of 1000 meter. Take kinematic viscosity nu equal to 0.29 strokes. Copy the question fastly, please. Okay, so now write down the given data. So what are all the things given? So diameter of the pipe is given, D equal to 300 mm. So in meters, it is 0.3 meter. Length of the pipe, L equal to 1000 meter. And kinematic viscosity mu equal to 0.29 stoke. So convert this stoke into meter square per second. So 1 stoke equal to 1 by 10,000 meter square per second. Remember that 1 stoke equal to 1 by 10,000 meter square per second. So 1 stoke is changed to 10 power minus 4 meter square per second. 1 by 10,000 is nothing but 10 power minus 4. Right. So discharge is given. Discharge Q equal to 500 liters per second, which is 1 liter equal to 1 by 1000 meter cube again. So change it into meter cube per second. So next area equal to pi by 4 d square. So substitute d value as 0.3. Then tell me the value of area. So pi by 4 into 0.3 square. Pi by 4 into 0.3 square.
0.07.
0.0.
7.
0.07. One more digit.
706.
Right. So now we found out the area. Now since discharge is given, we can find the velocity. Discharge Q equal to area into velocity. So V equal to Q by A you will get. So now substitute the value of Q, that is 0.5 divided by area value 0.0706. So now you get velocity in meters per second. Right. So 0.5 divided by 0.0706. So velocity V equal to
So 1.08.
7.08 meter per second. Right. Next, he has given the specific gravity for finding density to find the power. So power we need to find. So that's why he gave the specific gravity also in this problem. Because he asked in the question C, power required to maintain the flow also is asked. Right. So next, what we need to do, we need to use the Darcy formula. So for Darcy formula, we need F value. So to get F value, first we need to find the Reynolds number. So Reynolds number Re equal to Vd by kinematic viscosity. So velocity we got already. What is that? 7.08. So substitute the value of velocity 7.08 into diameter 0.3 divided by kinematic viscosity to 0.29 into 10 power minus 4. 0.29 into 10 power minus 4. Okay, so this is 0.29 into 10 power minus 4. Then find out the value.
So 1324 1.37.
7324 1.37. So if you see the value, it is greater than 4000 and less than 10 power 6, right? 27. Huh? Okay, so the range you can see. So if it is less than 2000, we have one more formula, that is 16 by Re. So since it is greater than this, it lies between 4000 to 6000. We need to take F value as 0.079 divided by Re. Re means this value which you calculate. Reynolds number to the power of 1 by 4. So now substitute this value here in place of Re and tell me F value. Tell me the value of F.
4.80 into 10.
4.8 into 10 power.
0 into 10.
I didn't get anyone, you can tell.
10 power minus 3.
10 power minus 3. Okay. 4.8 into 10 power minus 3. Right. So after finding the F value, now you can find head loss due to friction. So HF equal to 4 FL V square by 2 GD. So substitute all the values. Okay. So then you can find this HF value. V square, this is, sorry. 4 FL V square by 2 GD. So substitute the values and please tell me the answer of HF in meters. 4 FL V square by 2 GD.
327.02, sir. HF file.
327.02.
327.02, sir.
Okay. Yes, anybody with different answer here? Right. So next we need to find the power required. So power P equal to rho Q into Q. Q is the discharge here, HF by 10,000. Okay. So substitute the values of these two. These are all the values. Density we have to find by using the specific gravity given. So specific gravity is 0.7. So density becomes 700 into 9.81 into Q value. What is the discharge given? Discharge is 0.5. into HF 327.02 divided by 1000. Okay, so you'll get your final answer.
Sir, 1122.82.
Okay, right. Okay, so this completes our problem. So now I will share the quiz link in your in the WhatsApp group. Okay, we will be having only up to 25 minutes only. So 5 minutes before only I'm sending. After that, I will not allow. I will close the responses. I will not take any quiz after the time of which I have given. Up to 3 o'clock only our time is there. Okay.